Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be making a mug cake. You're going to need baking powder, a mug obviously, a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a fork, Oreos, chocolate syrup, milk, and you're going to need self-raising flour. So you're going to start off by putting in 4 Oreos. I got it. One Oreo, 2, 3, and 4. Once you have the Oreos, you're going to... I'm following a TikTok tutorial. Okay. My mom has to do this part so I don't get anything wrong. Thanks to Mom. And now we're going to smash it. Surprisingly, Oreos are very easy to smash. I'll be back once I've done. Okay guys. I've done that. So now let's see what's next. Keep smashing. Okay. We need to take the flour. And you need to get a tablespoon Mum, would you say that much is a good amount for a tablespoon or a little bit less?
Well, does it say heaped or does it say flat?
It just says a tablespoon of flour.
So you want something like, because a tablespoon.
Yeah, I don't want to add too much.
Like that, yeah?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay. We're going to add the flour. And then we're going to use some sugar. Going to have... Is that enough sugar for a tablespoon?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to have some sugar. And we're going to close the lid back up. This is actually really fun. Okay. What's next? 1 tablespoon flour. Half a teaspoon baking powder. So, oh my god. How is I opening this one? I'm confused. Sorry. Oh, it's one of those. You just like put it on.
It's an awkward one, this one is, because it's still partially stuck. Ah, there we go.
Thank you. Okay, we've got the baking powder. We need this little guy. It kind of feels like flour, but a lot more like powdery. Would you say that's enough?
How much does it ask for?
1 tablespoon.
Yeah.
I mean 1 teaspoon. I'm not going to put that on fully because I'm not struggling again. Okay. And don't worry guys, we will clean up after. Okay, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. I'm not going to use cocoa powder because I have... Guys, check me out. So I saw a video where this woman said not to use cocoa powder. She said to use chocolate syrup instead. Because cocoa powder will make it very dry. Delicious. I'm just going to grab... Can you get me a piece of kitchen roll to lay this on?
Absolutely, chef.
Thank you, Mahaje. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Just so that it's nice and chocolatey. Okay. And now let's see what's next. Okay, now we need to stir it. Oh my god, Mom, come and look at this. Look at how nice that looks.
Ooh,
it's chocolatey.
Make sure you get around the
I
edges.
know. Yeah guys, so you can either just like watch me make this or you can make it at home. It's very easy. And if you didn't notice, I'm actually doing this by myself. Except for some parts where I have to ask my mom to help me open things. But if one thing you need to know about me is that I'm obsessed with cooking and I love cooking. If I have the chance to, I'll do it anytime. Okay, what's next? Okay, they said to put 1 Oreo in there and then like soak it in. And then okay. Put an Oreo in there. Chop it down. Okay. And now we have to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Okay, it's in there. It's in there. I'm watching it. I can't like quite tell, but it smells kind of good.
It's rising!
Oh my god, is it?
Yeah, no.
Okay, take it out, take it out.
No, it's got to rise.
I know, but I don't want it to overrise. You silly bee.
But it's not cooked. It's still wet.
I
Look.
know, but that.
Let it rise. It'll rise up. It won't rise over. Just chill.
I know, I'm just scared.
Do it.
Okay, it's your call though, so if it overflows, then I'm blaming
If
you.
it overflows, I'll clean it. What's the issue?
I'm really excited. It like. It's done and it's sort of like dripped over the side.
Yeah, but it's not cooked if it's
I know,
dripped
I
yet.
think it needs a little bit more time. Oh god.
Yeah. So just do it 10 seconds at a time.
Okay, so we have to do 100 more 10 seconds. a bit fell off, so I tried it and it's really nice.
Now take it out.
Does that look cooked?
Yep.
Okay.
So you can tell, put a spoon in the middle of it.
Oh, yeah. There's an Oreo at like the bottom because they told you to put one in the bottom. Okay guys, oh my god, I already thought it was paused. But it's done, so we're just going to let it cool down a little bit. Just a little bit. While I wait for it to cool down, can I make another one for Brad's?
Huh?
While I wait for it to cool down, can I make one for Brad's?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how to do it, don't you?
Yep.
Let's go. Thank you.
Okay guys, oh sorry. You're in my way, child. So while I wait for my one to cool down, I'm going to make one for my brother. So we're going to start off. I know my brother's going to really enjoy this because my brother loves stuff like this.
Did you say on Patty's birthday?
Nah.
I know you're at school and I picked it up yesterday, don't you?
Wait, I'm just going to quickly take them out so that... By the way, guys, I literally just sanitized my hands before I did this. Oh my god. Why Robbie?
Huh?
Why him? Does she love him? Oh god.
Yeah.
Isn't he the one where I was like, I wish he was my teacher?
Yeah, that was funny. That's Evo. We all love Evo, the Jason Momoa out of non-league football.
I think that's enough.
Bit more.
A little bit more. I used the rest that was in there. It looks good. Jesus.
You called my child.
Look, do you think that would be enough?
Yep.
I used the rest that was in there. Okay, so now we're going to plop our lovely Oreos in. And now, I'm just going to... Now we get to mash it. Yeah. So if you guys didn't know, but there's still like cream in here, and that's what you're also mashing up. The cream is what makes the inside of it soft, but then the milk makes the biscuit soft, which is like a win-win. So now guys, I don't need to follow the instructions because I know what to do. I still kind of want to leave a few Oreo bits in there for my brother because, you know, that's my brother. Not because I want it to not be as good, but it's because I want it to sort of give off like the Oreo effect, because that's what I did for mine. So now we use this. Just adding a little bit more flour. Okay, I just need to double check the sugar. Okay, so I've got it. I'm just going to sort of like clean this off. For after, okay, so now I need the sugar. I'm just going to go put this in the bin. Anyway, I need the sugar. I just want to like really thank my mom for letting me do all of this stuff. Like, it's not every day someone lets their child just like cook. Especially on the weekends when it's like the parents' time. But no, me and my mom really enjoy cooking. And my mom has like a type of job where we have like kids in the house. So I don't get to sort of spend that much time with her. Don't you want to? Just adding a little bit more baking powder. And now we get to do the syrup. I just add a nice amount of syrup there. And now we mix. The colour is very nice. Kind of see the colour there. So you just gotta whisk, 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 whisk. I can't believe how like quick it takes. It's like it takes about 10 minutes. And now we shall place an Oreo in. And now, oh god, it went back to the top. That's not good. Okay. Now we're going to go put it in the microwave. Ooh. It is cooking, and now we're going to have a look at mine. Mine looks quite nice. And I'm going to add a syrup drizzle. I added a syrup drizzle.
Oh, you put it in?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and syrup just to boil it.
Okay. I just put like a drizzle of syrup on my cake. Yeah, kinda. Gonna eat one. Mmm. I put it on for another 10 seconds. One more 10. And then we should be good. I think it needs a couple more seconds because it's a little bit wet. For 10. You say that cooked?
Stick your finger on the top of it. Give it another 10.
Okay.
Every time it's a bit too moist, just give it...
It's had 3 10s already.
Yeah, so just give it another one.
Do you want one?
No, thank you. Going to Auntie Carol's party soon, and I'll get ready soon.
Oh yeah. Still wet.
That'll be fun. You want to over dry it?
Yeah, and you also don't want it. You want it to be a little bit moist.
That's what I just said. You don't want to over dry it.
Drizzle. Nice and drizzly. Mine feels quite nice. Oh my god. His one risen more than me. How very dare he? Nah. He can have it. I made it for him.
Wouldn't worry about that because I can just rinse all that shit.
I'm so
Put them straight in.
I'm so sad went so quickly. So that was really fun, that was.
Cool. It's not like you couldn't make another one. You know how quick and easy they are. The ingredients are all there. So it's not like you couldn't do it another day, like tomorrow afternoon or something.
And also, you don't need to put Oreos in because I've only got 2 left.
Yeah.
You don't need to put Oreos in.
We've got all the
You can just make a normal
biscuits,
one. I know, but Oreos are easier to smash.
Pre-smashy biscuits.
Oh yeah.
Like we did with the cheese pie.
Yeah. Leave them somewhere we can remember them. Can I eat the rest of the Oreos? Thank you.
Are you taking your time?
What did you say? Guys, I thought it was like a really good idea. If take one. I mean, I know.
Please don't forget you have to eat them with a spoon.
Okay guys, it's done, so I'm gonna go get my brother. Okay guys, he's having a shower right now, and then he shall be down. I told him that Mom wanted him.
Yeah, blame
No, what you need to do, when he comes out of the shower, stand at the top of the stairs, and then say, go to the dining table. Yeah? Or I can just go voila as you walk past. I'm gonna wait.
Mum,
Huh?
what's up?
Just got something to show you.
Well, I've just come out of the shower. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna film his reaction to the cake, like when it comes down. I wanna make sure. His is still a little hot. But I'll just tell him to be careful. Mum? Guys. It looks so good, but I think I might give my brother mine because mine's not hot. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I swapped mine and Paul's over so that he can eat it straight away because his one was actually like still boiling. You know what we need to do? We need to get like that ice and sugar and just like powder it on top.
That's not what you do.
No, I don't mean with that. I mean like with like a cake because I've seen people do like have
Your
this.
finger if you do it with a stick.
Yeah, whatever it is. He's coming.
What's up?
I didn't want you, sister did.
What's up? What's that?
She made you a chocolate oreo mug cake.
It's a mug cake.
Make it in a mug.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Welcome.
What are you recording?
Oh, it was Eve.